With more than 11,000 members from 146 countries, the Research Data Alliance provides a neutral space where its members can come together through focused global working and interest groups to develop and adopt infrastructure that promotes data sharing and data-driven research across domain, national, research, geographical, and generational boundaries. The RDA website is a place where anyone can create a group where a series of actions can take place, ranging from discussions on social aspects to problem-solving structures, services, or software around data, based upon and also acting as open standards. Joining RDA as an individual member is free, simple, and easy. All you need to do is fill in the form available at the register page and subscribe to the Research Data Alliance's guiding principles and code of conduct. User registration is moderated, therefore your request will be approved by the RDA Secretariat and your account activated within 1 business day. A series of menus guide you through the discovery of RDA. The About menu introduces the Alliance, its vision, and mission, together with its organizational bodies. Whether you represent a funding body, an organization performing research, an infrastructure provider, or you're an individual, there's always a good reason to join RDA. You can do this in the Get Involved menu. Rda Groups are the technical heart of RDA. The recommendations and outputs they release are at the core of the website, with 2 dedicated areas. The RDA for Disciplines whiteboard is open to all RDA discipline specialists willing to give a personal account of what data-related challenges they are facing and how RDA is helping them. RDA plenaries are the gathering points for RDA members, and information about upcoming and future plenaries is available from the website. But many other events and webinars are organized by and for the RDA community. Have a look at the plenaries and events section. We also publish lots of news and updates, but what we really recommend is to not miss our videos. In the RDA in a Nutshell presentations, you can find general information on the Research Data Alliance. They are updated every month and available from the main About RDA page of the website. They also include the last updated version of the RDA recommendations and outputs presented according to their status and the data lifecycle management categories they support. You are encouraged to use and integrate the RDA in a Nutshell slides if you would like to present details on RDA. The RDA community is invited to comment on a variety of documents while they undergo a community review phase. As part of their endorsement or recognition by RDA, these documents include working group case statements and interest group charters, RDA recommendations, and RDA supporting outputs. Usually, those documents stay open for community review for a month. RDA members are invited to read the documents and leave a comment in the space below. Only registered users are allowed to comment. Once published, comments are available to the entire group and visible from the Outputs page. RDA members come together through self-formed, volunteer and focused working groups and exploratory interest groups to exchange knowledge, share discoveries, discuss barriers and potential solutions, explore and define policies and test, as well as harmonize standards. A dedicated menu on the top bar guides you through the process of creating and managing an RDA group and allows you to browse the current list of working and interest groups as well as historical, coordination and national groups. The RDA for You page on the RDA website helps you identify the existing groups that may serve your needs. By using the filter on the right side of the screen, groups can be filtered according to their focus, that is, what problem they are trying to solve, and/or according to the scientific domains in which their communities operate. Filters can be combined too, but pay attention. If more than one filter is selected, results sum up. The layout of the group page has been designed to ensure the best user experience for RDA members. A series of icons and labels guide user activity and help you post messages to the group members, create and organize wiki pages, send event announcements, publish and organize the outputs and case statements resulting from the group's activity, monitor the group's participation at plenaries, and browse all the members of your group. A button on the right side of the screen allows the creation of any type of content, while if you're not a member of the group, then click on the Join Group button. Rda Outputs are classified as Rda Recommendations, official endorsed results of Rda Groups, Supporting Outputs, useful solutions from our Rda working and interest groups, or Other Outputs. They are all listed in the Outputs and Recommendations catalog, available from the main menu, and can be searched according to their focus, scientific domain, or by status using the filters on the right. Even in this case, filters can be combined and the results sum up. In the same Recommendations and Outputs menu, you'll find additional relevant resources, namely Rda adoption cases and documented adoption stories, and Rda ICT technical specifications. Those Rda outputs that are undergoing a process to be recognized as standards by the European Multi-Stakeholders Platform on ICT standardization. Are you still lost? The Rda for Newcomers page is meant to give you a brief introduction to the Research Data Alliance and how Rda works, and on the various ways that you can get involved with Rda, with links to more detailed information on the Rda website. Your suggestions, questions, or comments are welcome. You can use the form available at the contact page for any questions you may have about Rda in general. For any questions related to the website, please open a support ticket at rd-alliance.org/support. Remember, you need to be logged in order to do that.